And we're back. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are absolutely perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. I really just wanted to slow down and take this opportunity to really thank you. I hit 100 subscribers a few days ago, actually. I think 2 days ago is when I actually hit 100 subscribers. And then from there, I just kind of kept growing, and I'm still growing. I've gained about 25 subscribers over the past 3 days. And that is so amazing. And I am so grateful. Like, I know 100 subscribers, maybe in like the grand scheme of things, with all these beauty bloggers with 10 million subscribers and all these views and making all this money, 100 doesn't seem like a lot, but honestly it means the absolute world to me, and I truly mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for subscribing to me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. I respond to all of your comments as soon as I can. I do have a full-time job, so I can't be on all the time responding, but I do eventually respond to all your comments. And I'm so grateful, and I cannot say that enough. I love this, okay? I love being in front of the camera, even though I'm, slightly neurotic and awkward. I love talking to you guys. I love teaching you about the things that I enjoy doing. I truly want to do this for the rest of my life. And as someone who works a full-time job and who is, dreaming and imagining more from my life, more than just going to a job for 8 hours, coming home and falling asleep, for someone like me who dreams of waking up in the morning, turning on a camera, and talking to the world, for someone like that, 100 subscribers is 1,000 subscribers. It's 100,000 subscribers. It is 1,000,000 subscribers for someone like me. Someone who wasn't popular at all, ever. Someone who didn't really think they had a whole lot to say to 100 people. Someone who started off so scared and so insecure, and has and had people around them who would tell them that they couldn't do it, or that YouTube is too hard, or that you can't make it in YouTube anymore. There's too many, it's too saturated, you can't do it. For someone like that, 100 is amazing. And the fact that I have surpassed 100, and I am continuing to surpass 100, is the most amazing feeling. And I get people all the time who ask, people in my life who ask me, oh, but you're not making any money on YouTube, like why are you so happy? Like, why are you uploading 3 times a day? Like, why are you, like, I don't understand. And I'm just like, because this brings me joy. No, I'm not making any money from YouTube yet. No, I don't have any patrons. No, I'm not making hundreds of thousands of dollars yet. No, I can't do this full time yet. No, my videos, I don't have 50 lighting systems and mirrors everywhere, and my house isn't, pristine white. I film on my floor, So no, my videos aren't perfect, but neither am I. And the fact that there are 100, I think think 114 people now out there who want to hear what I have to say is truly a blessing and is truly mind-blowing for me. And I know I'm rambling and I'm gonna stop. I just had to take this time to thank every single one of you. And I wish I had your names so I could thank you individually, because I would. But I just want you to know, to every single member of my beauty brigade, that I appreciate you. I absolutely love you, and I wish nothing but the best for you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for supporting my channel in whatever way that is. It does not go unnoticed. On that note, I do currently have a giveaway going on, which is why I'm not, doing a giveaway right now, because I'm already doing a giveaway. And I believe the information for the giveaway that I'm currently doing is in my September favorites video. So go ahead and watch that, enter the giveaway. Yeah. And then another giveaway will be coming, because hello, we hit 100, so gotta do another giveaway, which I was planning on doing anyway, but it's fine. Yes, so thank you so much for everything that you have given me, are giving me. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Enter the giveaway, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. If you want to enter the Sephora gift card giveaway, I will go ahead and link my September favorites here. This is where the information is. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, click on the face and hit the big red button, or hit the big red button underneath this video. Bye guys, I love you.